after that constant change around it, this weekend the railway CEO announced his first time saying, stand by the decision. Now shared with the neighboring state of Pennsylvania. Officials also say public water is safe. Private well water institutions and bottled water. Despite those guarantees, toxic chemicals is still causing uproar and criticism. Directing at on Sunday, the FDA is advocating all the clean up all the in addition to the thousands of fish found dead after the derailment, that 2% were being treated for smoke inhalation after the controlled burn, according to the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture. Standing by their decision, Norfolk Southern CEO says the burn was the right thing to do. They did what we needed to do in order to prevent and control the federal government has deployed medical experts to help assess health concerns. Employers, community have been reporting problems such as rashes and the CDC also confirmed it will continue to assess public health. But that is not stopping what some are calling the Biden administration's smoke response to the disaster. Sunday, Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg responded with a letter to Norfolk Southern CEO writing, injured residents in the past, followed by calls for reform and by vigorous resistance by your industry. For safety measures, this must change. And Jim is here to start with the appointments of the folks today, hours in church tomorrow. If you're feeling that it's moving somewhere we have around here, it's very large. Folks are around you. Do not trust them.